Hello.
Hi, good day. My name is Binjay. I'm calling from Cargo Cleaning Services. How are you today?
I'm doing fine, thank you. Who is this again?
I'm Binjay, a representative from Cargo Cleaning Services and helping out to individuals or personal home and office cleaning services. Will you be open to hiring to a bit about your might help you with cleaning needs?
Sure, I'm listening.
Great. To better understand how you can help I asked about your current cleaning routine. Are you handling it yourself or do you have someone helping any specific challenge your
I usually do it myself, but it's getting harder to keep up with the routine, especially during these weeks. I could really definitely use some help with deep cleaner.
I completely understand a lot or training for the same way before the trend with sparkle we offer sparkle so reliable and transportly safe, customized cleaning plans fit or schedule, eco-friendly productive or fit kids, completely pricing to suit your budget. You want make your like it's not under. The sound
Mm. That sounds good, especially the eco-friendly part. I have dog at home.
that's perfect. Our products are 100% fit safe and just to let you know, they're currently offering a 30% discount for all new customers who will be understanding to schedule a cleaning or learning more about your package.
I might be. Can you send me some details first to maybe through email?
Obviously, what the base email to research to
It's j.smith@gmail.com.
that I send over our service package pricing and link to book of permanent. We can follow up in couple of days if you like more assistance.
Sounds good. I will hear.
Thank you. I will for your time for Mr. Smith. We are look forward to helping make your this week is cycle we have a wonderful day.
You too. Bye.
Bye. Agenda.